How to edit your video in less than 30 minutes. A lot of people struggles, and that is why they will not be able to make a video more than 3 in a day, because it's going to take them a lot of time, which I know a lot of us can testify that the hardest part of making a video is not the process of making the video, but the editing type. There are two types of ways that people make their video. Number one is some people script, some people don't script. And with what is scripting? Scripting means they will write down what they want to say. Like they will write it from first point to the last point, even to the conclusion. Why other people make their video unscripted? People like me, I don't script. When I tried to do that scripting, I found out that that was not me, so I was not able to do it. That does not mean I don't make a mistake. You see this video I am making, before you come to this point of where um you are watching the video, you will just be like, this person did not make mistake. What does she do? What am I doing that I'm not making a mistake? I have done a lot of removing, repetition. In fact, some parts you have to repeat like 3 times, 4 times before I can get exactly what I want to say. Some parts it will just flow. So this is the reason why we talk about editing video. When some people hear editing, they will just be like, I want to learn how to edit. They will just like, I want to learn how to edit and edit it very fast, where I can be able to post more than 3 or 4 videos in a day. Now, some people post their video like that without doing any editing. But the basic thing that you need to be done had to be done, because there are the basic things that you have to be done, which is the cutting out of the repetition, adding a few text, adding animation, and also transition. Now, the first thing you would do is to look for editing app that fits you the most, editing app that can help you, or very, very easy for you. Some people will say that they prefer to use Photoshop to edit their video. Other people will say they prefer to use InShot to edit their video. And other people, they will also say that CapCut is very easy for them to edit their video. But me, I use CapCut. Why? Because it's the one I find very easy, and is the one I pay attention to use. So you can check out all these 3 apps, all these 3 editing app I mentioned, and choose the one that suits you the more, the one that fits fits you, that you can understand easily, the one that the interface is okay for you, and then use it to edit your video. First thing, when you upload your video to your editing app, anyone that you chooses to use, the basic thing you need to do is to first of all cut out all the space, all the repetitions, all the mistakes. That is the first thing you should do, even before you will start listening attentively to every word that you said. Then, after you cut all those parts, the next thing you will do is for you to add text. Add text to your audio, like how to edit in less than 30 minutes. Is very, very important that it appear as a text in your editing. This number one thing, it's not easy to add text in every a word you said, but those key points that you mention, you can just add the text. Before, to use auto caption is very easy, very simple, and everybody was using it free before it enters pro. So if you have money to subscribe for the pro version, you can also subscribe for the pro version of any editing app you chooses to use. Then when you have already done with adding your text, you can now add animation. Animation, you can also add animation in that your text. You can also add animation in some part of the video that you did. This animation, you can also add animation into any b-roll that you uses or you chooses to use in that video. These things is very important because it keep your viewers watching. Now, for you to know the difference between the video that you add animation and the one that they do not add animation, the one that is better, you can check any of your video that you did, um you use animation, and the one you did not use animation, to know the difference between these two. Now the next thing to do is to add transition. What did I mean by transition? In this, in the places where you make mistake, you don't want people to know that you make mistake. You use transition to cover it up. You use transition to distract people from noticing that there is a mistake in that particular place. So me, that I made a lot of mistake, so I have to add a lot of transition on every mistake I caught out in my videos. So it's easy for you to just do this basic thing and post your video, because it's so frustrating when you would spend hours in editing one video. At the end of the video, you will have one views. At the end of the video, there will be, at the end of it, that video will not have any views, and you will feel like maybe your video is not worth it. All of us, as for now, even me, I'm still figuring out any video that can go viral on my channel. Add brightness to your video, add clarity to your video, and brighten your face, and then or download the video and post it to your YouTube channel. Focus your energy on looking for topic or video that is trending, video that people will focus and watch. Put your attention on making a video that is evergreen, because the attention you put in editing your video, you might end up being frustrated. So it's better you do the basic editing and then post your video, then move on to search for other topics that will help you in your niche. If you have watched up to this time and you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also share this video for more people to see. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.